Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Slap Battles Discord server. If this helps you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your browser and type on the search bar Rollymons. Go on this website, Rollymons Roblox trading website. Now go on the search bar, click on games and type here Slap Battles. Slap Battles. Go on this game, go on play on Roblox. Scroll down under social links, you can see this Discord icon. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, I've been invited to join this Discord server. Just click on accept as, and you will join the server. Now, if you can't join the server, just go on the browser again, copy this link, go again on Discord, go on the left side, click on add a server, just click on join a server, and paste the link over here, and just click on join server. And that's it. You're good to go. That's how you can join Slap Battles Discord server. Thanks for watching.